In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Netlify. So to do this, what you want to do first is just open up Netlify and go to domains in the left section here. Then here click on add or register domain and then click add a domain you already own. Now here just type in the domain that you bought on Namecheap. So for me it's this, and then click verify. Then next go and click add domain. Now you will need to add DNS records. So no DNS records are set up yet, just click add new record. Now here optionally you can add DNS records, but what's the simplest thing to do is to just continue, and then here you will get your domain servers. So you can just go and copy one of them because all of them are the same except for the number right here. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you want to do is open up Namecheap, go to your account and then dashboard. And from there you then want to go to your domain list. And then go to the domain that you want to connect. So I'll use this one and then click manage. Now from within the domain, you want to go to name servers, and usually it will be Namecheap basic DNS, but you want to go to custom DNS and then here just add the name servers. So just paste it in 4 times and then you want to change it to 2, 3 and 4 like this so that it matches what you had on Netlify, and then go and click on save. And then once you have updated the name servers, go back to Netlify and click done. And now you can see danistutorials.online has now been added to Netlify. And now in my domains, you can see that I now have this domain right here as a domain on Netlify. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to Netlify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.